that's quite proper. Never mind I stumble and fall. Never mind I stumble and fall. You imagine me sipping champagne from your brew for a taste of your elegant pride. I may be going to hell in a bucket, baby, but at least I'm enjoying the ride. At least I'm enjoying the ride. Yeah, at least I'm enjoying the ride. Yeah. I'm this sweet little sock or pretender. Somehow baby got hard as it gets. With her black leather crow's box suspenders, her chair and her whip and her pets. Do we know you the reincarnation of the Reverend Catherine the Great? Then we know how you love your ovations and the Z-rated scenes you create. Yeah, Z-rated scenes you create. You imagine me sipping champagne from your booth for a taste of your elegant pride. I may be going to hell in a bucket, baby, but at least I'm enjoying the ride. At least I'm enjoying the ride. Yeah, at least I'm enjoying the ride. You analyze me, attempt to despise me, you laugh when I stumble and fall. There may come a day I will dance on your grave. If unable to dance, I will crawl across it. Or unable to dance, I will crawl. Yeah, unable to dance, I'll crawl. Yeah. You must really consider the circus, 'cause it just might be your kind of zoo. I can't think of a place that's more perfect for a person as perfect as you. And it's not like I'm